Welcome po sa I Love Camping Channel. And for today's vlog, andito tayo ngayon sa Guerrilla Outdoors Camp Cafè. Makakasama natin ngayon si Boss Brian. At mag-unboxing tayo ngayon ng pinaka-aabangan nating Rooftop tent.
Yes, from Helvetika.
Ang maganda dito, Boss BG,
Yes.
itong rooftop tent natin, premium class.
Yes, it is. It's actually, kumbaga, pinili natin yung magagandang specs wherein we combined all these wonderful specs into one great product. And we have this Helvetika 07.
Sobrang excited talaga kami dito. Kaya umpisa na po natin ang pag-unbox nito.
Let's get it on!
Ang maganda dito yung sa packaging pa lang, talagang napakaganda ng kanyang packaging. Talagang ginamitan pa siya ng, anong tawag po dito?
Support systems.
Mga support system.
Anti-tent support system. So, as you can see, ang magandang quality ng rooftop tent is the packaging alone is talagang, you can see, superb and talagang totally iningatan siya. So, yes, continue.
Gusto na natin.
So, kung mapapansin nyo, even yung kanyang surface is really protected by this thick foam para magkaroon siya ng anti-dent or support system sa ating product inside.
Kaka-open lang natin ang box. At ngayon, ipapakita naman natin ang features nitong bagong rooftop tent natin. Boss BG!
Okay, yes. I'm back. Okay, let's talk about the emblem. Okay, you can see here, it's actually made of aluminum. It's laser, unlike yung other rooftop tents. It's embossed, but this one is technically it's laser printed yung kanyang emblem alone. So, kasi ang karamitan yung mga emblems na yan is kumbaga nagsisignify ng premium quality in the way how they made it. And also, let's try to look around this. So, nakikita nyo yung mga grid lines niya. This is not just about design. It's also about aerodynamics. While you're driving, so this aerodynamic design actually reduces drag ng sasakyan habang tumatakbo yung sasakyan. And that's the good thing about it. And also, as you can see this side, when you focus on this one, again, there's a logo here. Again, it's laser printed. So it's made of some kind of aluminum steel.
Tapos yung spoon box na po made of aluminum.
Yes, the whole case itself is a hard top shell tinatawag. So yung kanyang pinaka-shell is actually made of aluminum. You can actually try to step on it. Kung pwede ko siya tapakan para makita.
Sige, apakan natin. Ganito katibay ito.
Yes.
Kahit apakan natin.
Kahit tumalon-talon ka dyan, hindi siya nagtibay.
Ganito katibay ito.
Ganun siya katibay. And then another thing is yung kanyang locking mechanism. Try to look at this one. Okay? So yung kanyang locking mechanism is also very nice. Kumbaga, very easy to lock, very easy to also open. So the good thing with this one, this is actually very rare na kasama na yung roof rail. May kasama siyang dalawang roof rail wherein you can actually connect anything from solar power plates to recovery boards here. Ito po ang gamit niya ng ating roof rails.
I-open na natin.
Let's try to open it.
Ganito lang siya kadali i-open. Buksan lang natin itong dalawang lock mechanism. Ganito lang siya kadali i-open ha. Hawakan lang natin, then itaas na natin.
Meron siyang hydraulic system sa loob. So this one. So it helps with the opening and it helps with the swift opening and closing of the hatch. Okay.
Saka lang, napansin ko sa kanya, hindi siya magkadikit, no?
Yes, this is new. Actually, this is a new technology that is actually being used in this model. Kasi you guys, kahit yung yung sa likod niya, the regular ones are actually attached dito sa edge. So for this design, umaangat din ng konti or bahagya yung kanyang back part, and you can see it's very roomy. And also, the other use of that is it's through and through yung kanyang ventilation because there's a mini window behind where you can open it. Okay?
Tapos boss, BG.
Yes.
Pansin ko to. Sobrang natuwa talaga ako dito.
Yes, yes. Actually,
Ang ganda ng pagkakaprint ng
Yeah.
logo niya.
so as you can see, actually, since it's premium model, even the printing itself is talagang pinag-isipan. So it's technically it's embedded sa kanyang skin, sa kanyang logo.
Boss BG, ano-ano po ba yung mga accessories na kasama nito kapag nag-purchase tayo ng Helvetika or Cafè?
Okay, that's a good question. So here it is. Kapag kabukas niyo siya, you will see a lot of things inside. So let's talk about first yung ilaw. Okay, try to look at inside. Meron tayong actually inserted na strip lights. So this is actually from Bridgelocks. It's a US brand wherein you can connect the USB to a power station or kung meron kayong power bank. It has 3 modes. Dim system or there you go, ito yung 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then inside meron siyang mattress. It's a memory foam wherein also it's 5 centimeter thick, and then it's also covered with anti-moist mats. If you can see here, meron siyang it's on an anti-moist mat siya. So technically hindi siya mag-moist kahit malamig or merong condensation sa loob ng tent because there is anti-moist mat on it. And also same goes dito sa taas. So it's also covered with anti-moist mat or matting system. And then here, meron tayong compartment dito sa taas wherein you can put your other camping stuff. And then, if you try to look at this one, this is a hydraulic system. It's a Stabilus hydraulic system or gas spring system. 304 gas spring Stabilus. It's a German brand hydraulic system wherein this technically helps to be able for you to have a smooth closing and opening of the hatch of the rooftop. Okay, if you try to look at this one, okay, meron tayong on both sides, we have the scissor type lifters that actually also helps our Stabilus hydraulic system. So the main point here is that it really helps dun sa smooth opening and closing of the hatch itself. Okay, so from the inside, also what I wanted to show is that can I borrow your cell phone? Or this light itself. Okay, this is actually 1000 lumens light from Raynor. So if you try to look at the skin here, it's made of ripstop material. But it's not only made of ripstop, but it's also coated with black pigment coating. So what does that mean? So try to look at this test. It's the light test wherein this is a 1000 lumens. For ordinary polyester, tumatagos yung ilaw technically. But this one, you can see, hindi siya tumatagos. So that's a blackout system. So only premium tents use this type of technology. Okay, the black pigment coating. You cannot find this in other types of rooftop tents in the market right now, except for this kind of tent. So I wanted to show you kung ano yung difference ng black pigment coating. So as I told a while ago, normally if the skin is treated with black pigment coating, light doesn't or don't usually pass through, which you can see here. But for ordinary polyesters like this one, so tumatagos siya. Okay? So that's the difference. Now let's talk about the ventilation. So as you can see here, meron siyang 5 holes opening. One, the door, the window, and at the back of the shell here. So what does that mean? So yung ventilation is actually through and through. Another feature is that meron siyang full bag mesh. So this is the main skin. If you wanna close it, tent itself, especially if it's rainy, then you can close this one. And then pag again, kung mainit, and then you can just close using the bug screen. So it keeps all the bugs away. And then not compromising yung temperature sa loob ng tent. So it keeps you cool. Also, dito sa taas, there's also another window here sa taas. Okay? So, still, if you still want privacy, but you don't really compromise yung temperature sa loob, then you can open this one and then all other windows, you can keep it closed. So, still the ventilation is through and through. So, malamig pa rin siya or sa loob ng tent. So, for the specs, the length of this tent is actually 210 centimeters and the width is 130. So, what does that mean? Technically, it can sleep 2 adults and 1 kid. So, it's a 2 to 3 person rooftop tent. Let's talk about the fabric. So, the fabric of this rooftop tent is actually made of cotton polyester with black pigment coating. The good thing about this, since it's rooftop, it's breathable. So what does that mean? Kasi karamihan ng polyester material, pag hindi siya coated properly, hindi siya nagiging breathable. Kaya pag sinara mo siya, para kang nasa loob ng kabaong. But for this one, even if you close all the windows, still, yung breathability ng fabric is hindi siya na-compromise. Because technically, it's rooftop. Then even though breathable siya, it's almost waterproof. Kasi of course, it's a window. But what I mean with almost waterproof is that because of the skin. What are inside this tent, or what are the accessories included in this tent is meron tayong shoe bag. One piece of shoe bags, as I can see, kasya siguro to mga 3 pairs of shoes ang kasya sa loob. And then we also have these side skirt rods. This again made of stainless steel. And then this one, these are the brackets you use to connect this rooftop tent. You can either connect it on crossbars or roof decks. The other one is we have the ladder. It's all black, by the way. This type of ladder is actually rated, EU rated or European standards rated. Okay, yung kanyang durability, materials, capacity is European grade. Okay. This ladder is actually, you can either attach on the front of the rooftop tent using the hooks provided here or the sides. Okay. Imagine the versatility of this rooftop tent.
Ang maganda dito, may kasama din siyang tali, no? Itong tali na to, ang purpose ito, pagtapos natin mag-camp, kapag titiklopin na natin, para kapag isasarado natin siya, hindi siya bumubuka, hindi siya lumuloobo. Then meron din siya dito sa labas. Ang purpose naman ito, kapag isasarado natin siya, pusa siyang papasok sa loob.
Okay, let me discuss another feature of this rooftop tent. TPUs are commonly used sa ground tents. So how are TPUs? Actually, when you are camping in the rain, tapos pag sinara mo, normally, wala ka na makikita sa loob, totally blackout. But with the use of TPU, kahit umuulan siya, you can see here, kahit isara mo to, hindi ka mababasa. Okay, and then the thing, nakikita mo pa rin yung view sa labas. So this is another feature that is integrated sa rooftop tent. We cannot see other rooftop tents with this kind of feature. Meron siyang TPU. The way you close it, so of course kasi diba kung naka-mount siya sa sasakyan, so technically it's hard to, kumbaga, umakyat sa sasakyan and then isara mo siya. So fortunately, or we added this feature para hindi ka mahirapan o hindi ka naakyat, hilain mo na lang siya pababa.